Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create shine on Dress to Impress from Shimmer and Shine. Removing everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on, as per usual. So for the hair, I used this updo first. This one in this color, 516C7A, and then I went to the straight hair, used the same color. For these adjustments, position the Y at 0.66, Z 0.75, and scale it to 0.58. Then for the headband, I used the thick one in this color, 3F695B in glitter. For this one, position at the Y at 0.7, Z 0.63, rotate the X at 0.37, and then scale it to 0.10. For the belt, I did use a VIP belt here in this color, 548C79 in silk. Position the same and scale it up just a little bit by 0.53. For the outfit itself, I just use these pants in this color. Don't remember which color I used. I think I used the lighter color, 67AB94. I'll have to check later with the top. Then I use this top here in the third toggle in that same green color, 67AB94. Then I also used this shirt in that same color in silk. And then I also used these, this item in the third toggle in the same color in silk as well. Then for the necklace, I used this one in the second toggle in gold and this pink. I don't know. I don't know which one is better, this pink or that one. You have to decide for yourself. And then I also used this VIP item in the second toggle in that same color in silk. Then I used these earrings in gold and pink as well. Also this headband or headpiece in gold and pink as well, like this. And then we just need shoes and the bangles. So get the bracelet here and color it the same gold so it's not mismatched. And also get these shoes in gold as well. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.